So this is a video on how to add checkboxes to a Google Sheet and how to use conditional formatting to make those checkboxes really useful. So I've got a list of people here who've said yes to do a certain task, record the announcements, and I really want to keep track of which one's completed. So I'm going to add some checkboxes. So I'll highlight this range right here, say insert, and put in a checkbox. All right, that's pretty good. I've got a checkbox here, and when I check on it, I can see that is completed. It's not super clear though. I'd really like to make it a bit better. So let's do some conditional formatting. I'm going to highlight all of these cells, just click and drag over them, go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and you can see it's getting ready to do something over here. So I want to apply it to this range, which it's already selected because I've dragged over it, A2 to D11. There's A2, and it ends at D11. And I need to make something happen, so that's the format rules part. Right now it says is not empty. That's not very useful. So I'm going to put in something custom. And I'm going to put in a custom formula. So this formula is going to be equals $D2. Looks complicated, but all it means is that the dollar sign is referencing this entire column of D. D2 is where it starts, because D1 is just has nothing in it. And then I want it to equal one more thing. When it is true, it's going to do something. So when a checkbox is not checked, it's considered false. And when it is checked, it's considered true. So right now, if I check it, it's going to turn to this green color. It's really like a light green, something a bit more vibrant, because you know green means go. So I'll put my nice green here, and I'll say done. And now, there's my custom formula. If I click on this checkbox, it turns my whole row green, which makes it very useful to tell if something is completed. And that's it. That's adding checkboxes and making them really useful by using some conditional formatting to see what you've completed.